Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to 20 minutes daily yoga practice video. So sit in Vajrasana. If you practice this for every day, you will get inner strength. So you will become strong. So we are starting now. Sit in Vajrasana. Breathe. Follow the breathing. Do 4 times inhale, exhale. Now Om Khara 3 times. Inhale, and while exhaling you should chant Om. Inhale. Once again. Keep your palms on the knees. It's called Drona Mudra. Now let's do some breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Palms facing upwards. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Sideways. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Palms facing upwards. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now chest expansion. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch upwards. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now palms facing downwards. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Next we'll do Marjala Shvasa. Let's do some balancing. Your left hand goes front and right leg goes back. Let's breathe 4 times. Now switch the leg and hand. Back to Vajrasana. Now let's do some joint free movements. Let's free our joints. Now go for ankles. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now knee joints. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hip joints. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Puraka, Rechika, Puraka, Rechika. Left leg. Puraka, Rechika, Puraka, Rechika. Puraka, Rechika, Puraka, Rechika. Now half Padmasana movement. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now Baddha Konasana, where hips are touching Mooladhara. Now some butterfly action. This is called Patanga Kriya. Patanga means butterfly. Now we'll do the waist movement. Switch to Vajrasana. Let's do some waist movements. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So next is our shoulder joints. Breathe in, breathe out. Reverse. Now the elbows. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now wrist movements. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now neck rotation, neck movements. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Pureka, reach. Pureka, reach. Now left. Pureka, reach. Pureka, reach. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Sideways. Now try to come up without hand support. Again go down again. Come up. Now let's do squats or baski. 14 we'll do. Going down, breathe in, breathe out. We did 14 squats. This will strengthen your thighs. Now relax by keeping your hands like this and legs apart, keeping the whole weight on both the legs equally. Now let's do Surya Namaskara. We'll do 13 Surya Namaskara. 12 plus 1. ಮ್ಯಾಟಿನ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎರಡು ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸೋಣ. ಎದೆ ವಿಶಾಲವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಕೈಗಳು ತೊಡೆಯ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇರಲಿ. ನಮನಾಸನ. Left leg. Rechaka. Kumbhaka. Uraka. Rechaka. Uraka. Left leg वापस. Rechaka. Uraka. Rechaka. Namanasana. Uraka. Rechaka. Uraka. Rechaka. Kumbhaka. Uraka. Rechaka. Uraka. Right leg वापस. Rechaka. Uraka. Rechaka. Namanasana. Uttanasana. Uttanasana. Ekapada Prasanasana. Left leg. Samadandasana. Ashtanga Pranipadasana. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Ekapada Prasanasana. Uttanasana. Urdhva Namanasana. Ekapada Prasarnasana, Samadandhasana, Ashtanga Paripadasana, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Ekapada Prasarnasana, Uttanasana, Urdhvanamanasana, left leg, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha, Chatvari, right leg, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha. Let's do it again. 6 over, 6 more. Left leg. Rechaka, Kumbhaka, Uraka, Rechaka, Uraka, Rechaka, Uraka, Uraka, right leg. Right leg back. Ekapada Prasarnasana, Samadandhasana, Ashtanga Pranipadasana, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Ekapada Prasarnasana, Uttanasana, Urdhvanamanasana, Uttanasana, Ekapada Prasarnasana, Samadandhasana, Ashtanga Pranipadasana, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Ekapada Prasarnasana, Uttanasana, Urdhvanamanasana. Chatvari. Left leg goes back. Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha. Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha. Now let's do one more with holding in position for few seconds, 5 breathings in each of the steps. Namanasana. Breathe in. Urdhva Namanasana. Uttanasana. Try to touch the forehead or chin to the knees. If not happening, not a problem. Ekapada Prasaranasana, left leg goes back. Once you take the left leg back, take the same leg forward. So it should be in alternative. Once left leg, then right leg, left leg, right leg. When you take it back, bring the same leg back, means to the front. Samadandasana. You are holding your body in a slanting way. Ashtanga. First keep your knees, 2 hands, 2 knees, chest and chin, or chest and forehead. Ashtanga means 8 limbs. 2 legs, 2 knees, 2 hands, 6, chest 7 and chin 8. Ashtanga Pranipadasana. Now Bhujangasana, bringing your body like a cobra. Cobra pose. Parvatasana means like a mountain. It's mountain pose. It should be like an English letter A. Try to keep both the palms touch, both the feet touching the floor. Don't be like this. Your feet should be on the floor. Take your shoulder as much as possible inwards. Now you have taken the left leg back, bring it front, bring the same leg front, and these alignment should be straight. Hand and leg should be in a straight line, not like your leg is here. Your leg should be here. Breathing. Uttanasana. Urdhva Namanasana. Namanasana. So it's like thanking sun god. Sun salutation means because of him all the living beings are there. He is giving energy all the time. So this is the way of thanking sun god. So now twist. We are bending forward and stretching, not sideways. So let's keep leg apart. Relax for a few seconds. Now let's do few standing asanas. Jump approximately 3 to 3.5 feet. Turn your right feet right ways. Put all your weight on your thighs. So this is Virabhadrasana Prakara 2 or Virabhadrasana type 2 or warrior pose 2. Same way you put your hand next to the feet. Parshva Konasana. Your left hand to left leg should be in a slanting line. Parshva Konasana. Your eyesight, you're seeing the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. Switch now to the left side. Left feet turned straight. Exhale and go down. Virabhadrasana Prakara 2 or type 2 or warrior pose 2. Parshva Konasana. You are seeing the sky. Inhale and come, jump. So this is we did warrior pose 2 and Parshva Konasana. Next we'll do warrior pose 1 and 3, jump, turn to the right, fold your right leg. This is strengthening your thighs. This asana will do. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Put your neck back so that you can see the sky. This is Virabhadrasana 1. Now Virabhadrasana 3. You should come like English letter T. Show it this way. Opas. Knee straight. Now we'll do the